It's in a very, very critical time. When this lab has been established, Iraq had, at that time, had only one working lab fighting COVID, trying to detect more COVID cases. The Chinese team, they were very supportive and helpful. When they were here, they were very helpful. They gave us all the technical training that we need. The laboratory is able to do the test for 700 to 1,000 samples per day. I think the highest number that we've got in this laboratory is about 1,100 samples in one day. So at the moment, this lab works with 30 workers. All of the workers are divided into 3 shifts: morning, evening, afternoon, and the evening one. One of the most important features of this lab is that the laboratory is able to receive samples all over the day and across all days of the week. This lab played a very critical role in helping MOH and helping the MOH efforts to fight against COVID-19. Since that time, our laboratory has tested about 28,000 tests. Unfortunately, in the last 2 or 3 months, 7 of my staff has been infected with COVID-19. Fortunately, all of them has been back to work at the moment. These are one of the most difficult minutes in your life when you are unable to kiss your kids because you are doing some dangerous work. There will be a new pandemic. This is the minus 80 deep freezer in which we are saving all positive cases in our laboratory. And we can consider this as a national treasure because we are keeping the positive cases, all these positive cases, both sample and RNA, extracted RNA. It's ready for future research, it's ready for future testing. Once there is a new vaccine, once there is a new testing pathway, if there is a new testing strategy, this can be used for further testing.